Hi, it's Susan. I just tried to do a chain pull and did not work out, so that's why I have paint already on my canvas. I took the paint off and cleaned it up. I'm going to do a chain pull using paint mixture for blooms. Didn't really work out, so I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to try to place my paint a little bit differently. So I'm going to go again from the middle. Just lay my chain down. Hair on there. This chain is ball chain, called ball chain. You can get it at any hardware store. It usually comes in a roll. You'll have to get it cut off. Sometimes they sell packages of it. So that's all it is. Okay, so these spoons are called, that I'm using, I just got them from Amazon. They're a stainless steel cocktail mixing spoon, and they work really good for stirring. They have a little kind of square end on them. Pretty good for scooping out the paint and placing it on the canvas for different techniques. So now I gotta figure out what I did wrong. Okay. I had too much paint on, so I gotta put less. I'm using cerulean blue, gold yellow, and aqua green. Oops. Oh. No. I'm not having a good day here. I forgot what order I was doing them in. Oh well. Okay. You can see all my paints here. These are all my paints. If you're hearing that sound, it's just the wind outside. I have my window open for ventilation. I only have it cracked a little bit, so that's why I'm getting that sound. Hope it doesn't bother you. Last time I put way too much paint on. So now I'm going to put this on here. It's Floetrol and Amsterdam paint. I don't know if it's going to give me the bloom effect, but we'll see what it does. Last time when I put it over the black and it sunk. So it's starting to sink already. I guess my other paints aren't thick enough. That could be my problem too. They're not thick enough. I made them too thin. Oh, oops, give it a try again. Just gonna pull the chain. Different. I don't know if it'll stay. Kind of cool. I'll just keep going. See how it goes. Okay. It's different. Kind of cool. Just doing some interesting things over here. Maybe it will start over there. I will let it sit for a bit, and if it changes, I will come back and show you. I'm just going to show you a close-up. Sorry about the glare. Again, just doing some cool things. Oops, right there. Okay. Alright, I will be back with in a little bit. So I'm back. I came back probably about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes later, and it hasn't changed, so it's gonna dry like this. I just touched up a few little spots on it, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Some cool effects there. And up here, not too many. Something cool going on there. So, anyway, I will let it dry and I will show you the results at the end of the video. Bye for now. So I'm back with the dried results. Dried pretty good. Pretty much stayed the same as what it was when it was wet. I used the Bloom recipe, actually a different one than I've used before. It's not the same, I just altered it a little bit just to see what would happen with the chain pull, but I didn't get the results I thought that I might get. That was my doggy acting up. Anyway, so I might try it again with a chain pull. I'm not too sure. So, but I will put the recipe for this in my description as always. And I just want to say that I'm not completely satisfied with one recipe for the Bloom. I try different things, and I put each recipe in my description. So once I get something that I'm completely satisfied with, then I'll stick with it, and I'll always have the recipe in the description, because I don't always describe my recipe in my video. So as long as it's in my description, then you guys can try it yourself. So I will bring you in for a close-up. I got a couple of kind of interesting effects here, kind of. It's not much, but it's a little bit different than I would normally get with a chain pull. There's a couple little cells there, and over here I think it looks pretty cool, but not what I thought. I still like it. I like the composition and the colors. So anyhow, I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.